I'm Paul Brown. I'm Senior Business IT Manager for the European region in Huhtamaki. Huhtamaki, it's a food packaging company. Primarily the sort of products are egg cartons and the cardboard egg cartons that you see, the paper cups that you see in the fast food restaurants and other food packaging that you see in the restaurants and also in the supermarkets. In terms of employees, we've got 18,000 employees across the globe. We've got 103 locations in about 37 countries. I think what makes Huhtamaki stand out, I think it's the global presence that we have and also the sustainability. The sustainability is one of the keys to Huhtamaki's product range. And the products can go round and round and round. For example, egg cartons, the cardboard egg cartons that you see in the supermarkets that probably everybody has in their fridges at home. So those egg cartons, they're manufactured from waste paper. So old newspapers, old cardboard is all processed through the manufacturing plant to manufacture these cartons as well as other products. And then they come back, when everybody's finished and all the recycling, and then manufactured again. Even within the actual manufacturing process itself, if we get any rejects that come through, they just immediately go back into the pulper, and then they're remanufactured again. So from a waste point of view, it's really, really good. And the other thing that we're doing with sustainability as well is we're trying from an energy point of view, because it's quite intense from an energy point of view. Fitting solar panels and those sorts of things, and also in terms of wastewater, so we're recycling the wastewater, cleaning the wastewater and so on, so that we don't do any harm to the environment. So we first started with Epicor in 2011 at one site in Europe, here in the Czech Republic. Then in 2016 we embarked on a project to look at rolling Epicor to a multitude of sites in one particular business area. We had 4 sites within Europe who all make the same products with the same sorts of machines, just different customer geography. So we got those together to actually work on this project to implement Epicor. So we actually looked at the different business processes and we got everybody to try to agree common business processes with Epicor, and then trying to get those business processes aligned with the Epicor functionality. So we're using Epicor Financial Planner and Analysis, and we're using that for forecasting, for rough cut capacity planning, and also for CTP, which is capable to promise. So that's a really, really useful functionality. Customer facing departments, they can enter orders and it immediately tells them whether we've got capacity to actually accept the order on the day that the customer wants it. When they have interactions with the customers, they can actually put inquiries into Epicor, and that interfaces to the Epicor Financial Planner and Analysis tool, and it comes back with feedback, immediate feedback, whether the sales orders can be accepted for the dates that the customer wants. And it also proposes, if there's a problem, it will propose alternative dates so that the customer can then see when they can have the goods. Working with Epicor has been really, really useful and helpful. They became our partners. So what that's done to us is we've got a team of technical people within Huhtamaki who have been basically trained and coached, and since 2016 we've developed that team. So now I would say that we're about 80% self-sufficient in terms of Epicor, and that balance of 20% where there are gaps in our knowledge or experiences is coming from Epicor. And that's helped us in terms of efficiencies, in terms of cost savings, and things like future implementations. We're able to manage the majority of that work ourselves and then just fill in the gaps with Epicor. So the partnership has been really good.